When you think of major agricultural river valleys in North America, you probably think of the Mississippi River Valley, the St. Lawrence River Valley, and possibly the Snake River Valley. But one river valley in North America that I think gets overlooked is the Peace River Valley or Peace River Country. The Peace River Country is the most northern point in North America that operates agriculture across a large area in northwest Alberta and northeast British Columbia in Canada. It is separated from the rest of the Canadian plains by the Swan Hills to the southeast and Rocky Mountains are to its west. The Peace River Country is based around the Peace River, which provides water to the region and gives it its name. The region is very similar to the Great Plains of Canada, and when you look at the Peace River Country, it is almost impossible to differentiate it from the other plains in Alberta. Here are 4 images. 3 are of the Peace River Country and 1 is taken only 20 miles away from Edmonton, which is over 200 miles away from the closest part of the Peace River Country. Try to guess which one is outside of Edmonton. Well, if you guessed the last image, you were right. That image was taken 20 miles outside of Edmonton, and the others are from the Peace River Country. So I hope you can see they are pretty much identical. Here is a map I found of all the Canadian farmland, and it clearly outlines the Peace River Country. You can see that most of the region has around 25 to 75% of the land used for agriculture. Another map that outlines the Peace River Country is a population density map of Alberta, and it shows that this is the most northern part of Alberta that people live in across a spread out area. The Peace River Country is closely associated with the watershed of the Peace River, which has many tributaries that flow through the region that irrigate the land, making farming easier. The Peace River is formed from the water in Williston Lake, located in British Columbia, that flows through the WAC Bennett Dam, creating the Peace River. The Peace River eventually flows into the Snake River, which empties out into Slave Lake, which then exits the lake by the Mackenzie River, making the largest river system in Canada. The largest city in the region is Grande Prairie, located in Alberta, which has a population over 63,000. The city lies in the central southern region of the Peace River Country. It is Canada's most northern city with more than 50,000 people. The city was formerly known as Buffalo Plains after the buffalo who traversed the prairie in the past. The city does not look like anything special, but nonetheless is the economic center of the region. The second largest city in the Peace River Country is Fort St. John, located in British Columbia, with a population over 20,000. The city is on the very most western side of the region. The third largest city in the region is Dawson Creek, located in British Columbia, with a population over 12,000. The city gets its name from the creek that runs through the area. Another fact is that Dawson Creek is the western stopping point of the Northern Alberta Railway. The region grows many crops such as canola, oats, peas, and barley. Some cattle ranching and beekeeping is also done in the area. Other industries include oil and gas extraction, and even forestry. I hope you learned something about the Peace River Country, and hopefully you now know why there are farms so far up north in Canada not connected to anything else. Thanks for watching.